Hello everyone, this is Harati from Adishankara Institute of Technology. This is my mfcs Tech video presentation. Today my topic is mathematical logics. Logics is nothing but a proportional calculus statements and notations. A number of words making a complete grammatical structure having a systems and meaning and also meet as association in the logic or mathematical is called a sentence. Is a section may be of two types: declaration and non-declaration. Definition of mathematical logic: a proposition or statement is a declaration sentence that is either true or false, but not both the true or false it of the sentences is called and truth values. Example: 8 plus 3 is equals to 9 is equals to 11. Pair is in England. Where are you going? Where are you going? 4 minus x is equals to 8. Class the door. Close the door. What a hot day. The sentences 1 and 2 are statements. The first is true and the second is false. Is a question, not a declaration sentences, hence it is not a statement. H is declaration statement but not a statement since it is true or false definitions and the value of x is not a statement, it is a command. Is not a statement, it is a exhalation. Note: statement are denoted by q, p, q, r or q, pq, small pqr or caps pqr, which is also known as a proportional variables projections. Proportional variables common can measure only two values, true or false. There are two proportional computations, t and f. The represent true or false represently if p denotes the proportional. The captional of a up is agreed. Then instead of saying the proportional, the capital of up is agree is false. We can simply say that the value of is if. P is f. Next, connectives. A proportional constant of only the signal proportion values or a single proportion constant is called a atomic primary proportions. A proportional atomic from the combination of two or more proportional by meaning of logical operations. Computance of two or more proportionals or by negative of a simple proportional is called a modulus. Or computers are computing proportions. The word and symmetric used to perform component proportional is called connectivities. The following symbols are used to represented as connector. We can see the following connections in this table. If p and q are any two statements, then del p and p and q and p and r, p or q and p gives rise to q and p gives rise to or less than gives rise to q, and also statements. Negations: if the p is any proportional, the negation of the p denoted by negation p or up to and treated as not p is a proportional with is the false when p is true and true when p is false. For example, consider the statements: the pair of an performances not in frames. The negation of the proportional q non statement is interrupted in pq. Some students are intellected the truth table of p is this is the truth table of p. Next, find the negation of a following proportion. It is called Ravi is rich. Today is Thursday. There are 12 months in a year. Vijayawada is the capital of AP. Next, conjunction. If P and Q are two statements, then conjunction of P and Q is the compound statements denoted by P and Q or read as P and R. The computer statements P and Q is true when both P and Q are true. Otherwise, if a false, the true value of P and Q. P and Q are given below the following truth table. This is the given conjunction of following truth table. Note: P and Q and P and Q and P have same truth values conjunction in symmetric. Next example, the conjunction of P, it is running today. Q, there is 20 tables in this room is P and Q is that remaining today and there are 20 tables in this room. Next P, Jock went to the hill. Q, Jill went to the hill. Then P and Q, Jock and Jill went to the hill. Next disjunction. Disjunction is nothing but if P and Q are two systems, then the disjunction to be P and Q in a component systems denoted by P and Q are either P and R. The component systems P and Q is true if at least one of the P and Q is true. If it false when the both P and Q are false. The truth value of P and R is given the following truth table. The P and Q have some truth value disjunctions in symmetric. Example, the disjunction of P, it shall watch the game on TV. Q, so the systematic P and Q, I shall watch the game on TV or go to the sentiments. They are sometimes wrong with the or warnings. Next, conditional proposition. If P and Q are proportional, the components proportion if P and Q denoted by P and Q is called the conditional proposition, and implementation and the conjunction is the conditional connective. The proposition P is called asymptotic denotation and the projection Q is called the consumer conjunction. For example, consider of the running time will 5 will carry on the umbrella. Here P is running is accommodated. Q will be carry on an umbrella is conversations. The proportion P and Q has a truth value of F when P has the truth value T and Q has the value truth of F. Otherwise, it is the truth value of T. Next, this is the truth table of truth values. Example, if the statements of the P and Q where P the sun illusions the east, Q 4 plus 3 is equals to 9. If the sum of the rises of the east, then 4 plus 3 is equals to T. For example, statement, if the either John performance of the gym prefer coffee, then Rita prefers milk. P, John prefers tea. Q, Jim prefers coffee or Rita prefers milk. Symbolic formula of P or Q gives rise to R. This is the MFCS Tech Talk video presentation of mathematical logistics. That's it for today. Thank you.